So we've already done our video on perimeter, and as you can recall, perimeter is the distance around the outside of an object. So this can be a shape, like a simple shape like a square, or this can be a weird shape like something that has several twists and turns to it. So now that we've discussed the distance on the outside of the object, let's discuss the distance or the amount of distance on the inside of the object. And this is what's known as area. So first, let's begin by looking at some basic shapes. So this is a square. Even though, my drawing is not usually on point. But this is essentially a square. And the thing about a square, as you'll recall, is it has four sides, which we can see. But the thing is about those four sides, that all four sides are equal. And that's what those little marks mean, that they're all equal. So if this side was 3 inches, that means this side would be 3 inches. This side would be 3 inches, and this side would be 3 inches. Now, the way we find perimeter is by adding all these sides together. So we've got four sides, 3 inches on every side. So we add 3. So we add 3 4 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 12. So the perimeter is 12. But when we're talking about the area, what we're going to do is we're going to say this side times this side. Length times width. But since every side is the same in a square, it's just side times side. 3 times 3. Or side times side. So 3 times 3 is what? 9. And now, when you're labeling perimeter, we just put 12 inches. Because, see, this is measured in inches. But when we label area, we put 9 inches squared. Or 9 square inches. But that's usually how we write our final answer. So the perimeter of this square is 12 inches, and the area of this square is 9 inches squared. All right. So now let's look at the area of a rectangle. And a rectangle, how a rectangle and a square are different. And a rectangle, these two sides across from each other are the same. And these two sides across from each other are the same. So if this side is 10 centimeters, then what is that side? Right, 10 centimeters. Same thing here. This side is 4 centimeters. What is that side? 4 centimeters. Alright, so now we have all of our sides. But be careful when you're reading a question and it says, find the perimeter or find the area. Today we're going to find the area because that's what this video is about. It's about area. And the way we find the area is we multiply this side, the base here is what it sits on, times the height. The height is here. So area equals base times height. So area equals the base, which is 4, times the height, which is 10. And 4 times 10 is what? Right, 40. Now our unit is centimeters. Centimeters. And remember, anytime we're doing area, it's centimeters squared. So our area here is 40 centimeters squared. So that is a square and a rectangle. Now, we're going to look at areas of different objects and eventually areas of shapes put together. But right now, this is your first introduction to area. Area is going to become a big topic in the 6th and 7th grade. So for now, I will talk to you later and keep working on your multiplication tables. As you can see, that was a big part of area, and I'll see you next time, guys.